So let's now talk about styles. So here I am in this document that looks like it is a set of styles applied to it, but in fact if I click on each one of these items you can see that it is a normal style, and this heading 2 is also a normal style, and this body of text is a normal style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes. First of all, I'm going to click on this one up here. Now if I applied the heading 1 style, you can instantly see that it's changed. Now let's apply the heading 2 style. Excellent. On here, well, it's normal, so that could be good. But in fact, what I want to have is I want to have a new style called body text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes to this, and then I'm going to save it as a new style within this style set. And that's the style set. So in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the paragraph settings. So I'm going to click on this, and you'll remember this from a paragraphs video, and I'm going to change it to 1.5. But also what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a space before the paragraph. There we go. So we've got a little bit of space there. So I'm happy with that. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that as a style. So I click on the button up here and save the selection as a new quick style. Another way of doing it is I could just right click down here. You'll see I have a styles option, and I get all the same options that I saw in the ribbon. So I can save the selection as a new quick style. It's asking me what I want to save that style name as, so perhaps I could call it body text and click OK. If I want to, I can modify the actual fonts and paragraphs associated with that, but I'm going to keep this and click OK. The name already exists, so let me add the word training after it and click OK. And you can see up here now I have a new body text training style that I can perhaps apply to other areas of my document. So you can see how very quickly you can add more and more style sets. So for example, I have heading 1, 2 and 3 here. I might have a heading 4 that I want to add and create. All I do is do the appropriate formatting, right click on it and save it as a new style. Once you've completed that, you can then come up here to the change styles up here, click on this button just here and come down to style set, and I could save it as a quick style set. And what that would mean is, as well as the existing styles, the body text training would be added within that style set, and I could save it as its own new group. Of course, anything you can do, you can very easily reset just by coming to those reset options. Now in the change styles, we also have the option of colors and fonts. But I'd like you just to take note of this. You can see as I perhaps have a look at colors and scroll down, you can see that we've got this new word theme here. And also for fonts, if we scroll down, you can see it's theme. That's because the style and themes are closely related. So this video is focusing just on the styles and creating a style set, a group of styles. Now in the next video, in the next section, what we'll do is we'll look at the themes. And the themes are the things that determine the colors and the font sets that are associated with a style. So there you have it, an introduction to styles. You should always try and use styles and a particular style set whenever you create your document to ensure it is well structured.